Hey, Insta community. Ready to share your moments in real time? Join us as we explore the exciting world of Instagram Live. Let's get your story out there, live and direct. Step 1, going live on Instagram is a breeze, and it's the perfect way to connect with your followers instantly. Whether you're sharing an event, a quick chat, or a tutorial, live streaming is the way to go. Step 2, first things first, open your Instagram app. Tap on Your Story at the top left corner, then swipe left and choose the Live option. Ready? Hit that Go Live button and watch as your stream starts. Step 3, as you go live, you'll see viewers joining in. Engage with them. Respond to comments. Answer questions, and enjoy the interaction. Remember, it's all about the connection. Step 4, want more control? Tap the 3 dots next to Add a comment to manage your settings. Turn off commenting, disable requests to join your live, or even share your live link elsewhere. Step 5, all good things must come to an end, including your live stream. When you're ready, tap X to finish. Don't forget to save your live video to IGTV or download it for keepsakes. That's a wrap on going live. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, give us a like, share this video, and follow us for more Instagram insights. Until next